Do you go into the benefits first off of just coconut oil and the skin, and then Skinny's products, how they nourish the skin, don't leave it so oily, and really leave it glowing and kind of rejuvenated. It's really a
Oh,
wonderful
well,
line.
thank you, Casper. It's true. And I think that's, I think coconut oil gets a bad rap because it does feel heavy. With us microfiltering our products and microfiltering the coconut oil, so it's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, you almost have the best of both worlds because that is actually it's penetrating into the skin. So you are actually, you're feeding your skin. And that's what I really care about is let's get these. And then, you're not just feeding your skin with coconut oil, but you're feeding your skin with real essential oils. I don't know
Mhm.
which one you use, but real lavender, real rose.
The rose, yeah,
I
smells
love the rose.
wonderful. Yeah.
It's real rose. And anybody that says, "Oh, and I don't know that rose was ever my favorite," but that's because it was all fake. When
Mhm.
this rose, I crave it. I crave it. And even just if you're having, a sore back, or there's just so many things that rose is almost like, and we put jojoba oil
Mhm.
in there, and that is almost like a little magic. And then, of course, the coconut oil, which just is so coconut oil is the most penetrating of any of the oils. About 98% of it actually will penetrate into your cells. So that's where we take those essential oils and that jojoba and the rose oil, and you put it with our coconut oil that's so penetrating, and you're just, you're really treating your cells, you're treating your skin. And you do. I had a bad bike accident a couple years ago, and I had shorts on, and my knees looked, I don't even know how to say, they just look like dog meat. They didn't
Mm.
look like, and I thought, wow, I'll never wear a skirt or shorts again. And I started putting that rose body butter on it immediately. It was soothing. I'm in a skirt right now. My knees are fine. I had no scarring. My knees healed up. I don't have any wrinkles from it. A lot of times when you have a scar like that, you just end up with a lot of wrinkles because that's just your body's way of kind of healing. You would never know that I had that bike accident. So, you just see the healing benefits, just even personally. And I love that rose jojoba. People love lavender, like babies
Mhm.
after their bath, to just rub that on their skin and just give them, so nice at night to put on the bottom of your feet, makes you sleep well, makes your skin soft. I mean, there's so many applications there for just our body butters and just that nurturing. And again, it's nurturing